This here is a 2002 Dodge Ram 2500. Has the 5.9 Cummins diesel. Truck's only got 100,000 miles on it. It's 4-wheel drive and is also a 6-speed stick shift. You can see how well the paint shines. There's no dents or scratches of any sort. There's absolutely no rust anywhere. Take a look at this tonneau cover here. Lifts up, locks down. All 4 tires have just been put on. They have maybe 40 or 50 miles on them. You can also see how clean the frame is under there, as well as the spare tire that's under there. Go ahead and show you the interior here. We have power windows, power locks, power driver's seat. There's cruise control in the steering wheel there, 4-wheel drive, shifters on the floor. Has a Pioneer touchscreen head unit, a CD and DVD player. See that the dash is not split or cracked. There's no rips, no tears, or stains of any sort anywhere. I'll go ahead and start it up for you here. See the mileage displayed in the lower corner there. I'm gonna hop in now, take this truck for a test drive, show you how well it drives. Try to get buckled up here. Pull a parking brake. I'm gonna take off and head up the hill here so you can hear how smooth this 6-speed shifts. It doesn't grind or hesitate going into gear whatsoever. Very smooth going through all the gears there. Of course, this 5.9, the straight 6 design, really built to last forever. Plenty of power, tow, anything you ever want to tow with it. Only 100,000 miles. This one's definitely got an entire lifetime ahead of it yet. Steering on the front end is nice and tight, responsive. There's no slop or play in the front end whatsoever. The steering wheel Everything's nice and responsive in the hand. Doesn't have a pull or veer off to one side or the other. Steering wheel centered. Truck stays in its lane nicely. Listen to the brakes as I slow down to go around this corner. They don't cause any kind of pops or rattles of any sort. The brakes are not spongy feeling at all. They're nice and firm up top where the pedals should be. They don't cause the truck to pull to one side or the other or anything like that. Exhaust brake works flawlessly. Everything just works like it's supposed to. There's not a single thing out of place, front to back. The truck really handles well and drives like you'd imagine a low mileage Cummins with only 100,000 miles on it would drive.